You guys, I'm back. I made another video with this. Hold on. So, not you guys. I'm talking to my sister named Olga, which is actually, she was in my other video.
So, what are you doing?
She's gonna say hi to you guys.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. What's in your purse? Cause I'm not just a pretty girl.
You guys probably can't hear her. But 1 second.
I want to FaceTime you. FaceTime you.
Who's gonna have
Your phone.
Don't talk. Don't put yourself on speaker. I'm gonna put you on speaker.
Whenever we used to FaceTime.
Sorry, guys.